Welcome to our channel, where today you'll learn the fastest way to activate your Chase Freedom Unlimited card. Effortlessly welcome to our channel. Let's jump right into how to activate your Chase Freedom Unlimited card quickly and easily. Step 1. Gather all necessary information before starting. Make sure you have your new Chase Freedom Unlimited card, your social security number or tax ID number, and your Chase Online account login details. If you already have an account, Step 2. Decide how you want. Activate your card. There are 3 primary ways to do this. You can activate your card online via the Chase website by calling the Chase activation phone number, or by using the Chase mobile app. Step 3. To activate online, open your preferred browser and navigate to chase.com/activate. This is Chase's dedicated card activation page. Enter your 16-digit card number, which is located on the front of your card, and your social security number or tax ID when prompted. Create your login credentials if this is your first time, or simply log in. If you already have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your identity. Step 4. If you prefer phone activation, call the number on the sticker attached to your new card, or 1-888-270-2127. When prompted, enter your card number and follow the automated system's instructions to verify your identity. Step 5. Using the Chase mobile app, open the app on your smartphone, tap the menu icon, then select Activate a Card. Enter your card details and follow the steps to verify your identity. Step 6. Once activated, your card will be ready to use immediately. Expect to receive a confirmation message either on the website app or via phone that your card has been successfully activated. Step 7. Remember to set up your PIN if required, and link your card to any payment apps for increased convenience. That's all it takes to activate your Chase Freedom Unlimited card without a hassle. Stay tuned for tips on maximizing your card benefits and managing your account easily with Chase's tools. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and tips.